I'm gonna try to keep this intro as short as possible. But before this video starts, I'd like to let you guys know that Rev797 is hosting a giveaway for the Moto Cuts front number plate or CNC shield plate. The steps to join will be in the description down below. Also, Bike Star Chris helmets are still in stock at Trim Supply. And we have a new edition of the glossy helmets, which are low-key my favorite over the matte helmet. So make sure you go cop those. The summer release is coming very soon. Let me just give y'all a hint. Ski masks. One more thing, I actually forgot. The bike used in the video is the 79 bike Falcon Pro from Americana Pipedream.com, and you can use code PHETHANFIX bike to save yourself some money, but more on that later in this video. Without further ado,
She wishing I would put her in the mix. Shorty got a taste and now she wants a fix. You know how it gets, but I'ma have to hit you in a.
Alright, so before I can even take the bike, I think I'm gonna take the 79 bike. Before I can even take the 79 bike, I have to start packing my bag. I think I left it in my truck. Can't forget my school ID. Alright, so in the backpack, we're gonna put the 79 bike charger. Even though I don't need it, I wanna be at full percentage so I can, you know, zoom through. Get that in the bag. I'm also gonna carry an extra battery for my camera. Put that right here. And boom, we're done packing. And now we're ready to head out. Oh, I love that sound, bro. Usually I leave in my truck to school at 7, but since this bike is quicker to get there, to get to places, not faster, but quicker in terms of getting to places, I left 7 minutes later and I'll still get there at the same time, so that's good. Oh, I really wanted to pop a wheelie, but I gotta wait till I get outside. And the reason I chose the 79 bike was because I feel like it has enough power and range to like keep me up, besides the Surron, but the Surron's in shambles right now. And a lot of people last video were wondering where you could buy this bike. You can buy this bike at AmericanaPipedream.com, and you can use code PHETHANFIX bike to get $100 off. Who wouldn't want $100 off a bike? It's crazy. Let's do our first wheelie of the video. Let me do it on the road. There's people taking their morning walk, so. Oh, early morning wheelies. It's kind of windy though, but that's good, so it's not hot. But there's honestly a vibe, bro. I like taking the Surron places, like where I would usually take my car. All right, tunnels here. The grass doesn't look too wet though. I should be fine. Let me put on my shorts, bro. They always roll up when I'm riding. So annoying. Wait. Oh, I almost just dropped my school ID. I'm chilling. Chilling. That's a little bit wet, but I got the front fender on this one, so that's good. Bro, it's so nice out. So beautiful. I like this. I like this a lot. Maybe on the last day of school, let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see me take the 2TO to school. That'd be crazy. And for the record, Americana Pipe Dream has more bikes than this. Make sure you go check out their website to see all the bikes they got. I actually have one more bike from them that I'm going to review. It's an E-Ride Pro Killer. It's actually like insane. Dude, this is nice. Like perfect weather too. It's not too hot, not too cold. Got the wind blowing on me. And the front fender's catching. I got a little bit of drops, but the front fender's catching most of those morning dew drops. All right, I don't think I've ever been through the tunnel in the morning. This is going to be first experience going through the tunnel. Let's see. All right. Through the sand. And... oh, the monkey always scares me every time. Oh, I love... yo, that's cool. The 79 bike's lights are on auto. So I just got into the tunnel since it's dark. And the light, it went on night mode. Even the display became dark. It got on night mode. The lights turned on. Yo, that's actually cool. Wait, that's a cool feature. Hi, monkey. Bye, monkey. All right. And we're through. Let's go up. I don't want to go all the way down there because of the dew, the wetness. So we're gonna cut through here, and now we're good. Wheelie time. Hold on, let me. Yeah, brakes are good. Oh, this is nice. That's nice. Stoppy at the stop sign. Another stoppy. Oh, my front tire skidded. All right, we'll go on the sidewalk for a little bit, and now we'll hop onto the road. I'm at 89% after 3.8 miles and 10 minutes of riding. Let's go! Let's go! 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60! I hit 60! Oh, the wind's all in my face, bro. I need to get a better mic. Have a great feeling. All that wind just got transferred to the mic, and all y'all heard is straight wind. I just went 60, bro. Coasting wheelie. Whoa, 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 whoa. The good thing about this, I could just cut straight to the front of the line. And I'm gone! Straight like that, bro. This is tough. Do you think about the days that we sat down, smoked, drank wine, and sipping haze or not? Is it the other way? Is it the other way? Sing around it. Let's go. 50. Oh, the lights just turned red. It's 14 minutes of riding so far, 80%, and that's 6.5 miles. And I'm gonna just cut to the front. The only thing I can think of is like my hair is gonna be messed up from the helmet, but I'll just shake it and I'll be straight. I still don't know where I'm gonna park. I think I'm gonna park in like we have a class called automotives. I think I'm gonna park like over there. Oh, I forgot to carry my lock. Wait, I forgot to carry my lock. I should be fine if I park near the automotives area because there's people that ride their mini bikes to school, so I shouldn't be too much of a problem. There we go. Hopefully there's no traffic turning into there. I don't even know what time it is. I should get a watch because I don't want to dig into my pockets and get my phone. But even if there is a line, I can just cut through. All right, there's no line. That can either mean it's early or it's late. Hold on, let me check my time once I get here. Hopefully I'm early. 7:20? Oh, that's normal. Yeah, 7:20 is normal time. I don't know why there's no line. Or maybe because I got like all the way in the front. Wait, should I cut to the front? Yeah, I should. Yeah, let me cut to the front. Alright, so I'm chilling. Alright, now's the hard part. Where do I park? Should I pull out my parking pass? Yeah. There's no guy there. Alright, let's go. Let's not do a wheelie in school. Let's not get suspended today. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna park over by automotives, I think. Alright, yeah. Oh, he has the garage. Oh, we're grilling today. We're not even doing like automotive stuff. That's perfect. Wait, should I park it right here or bring it up? Let me bring it up a little bit. Yeah, this is like the perfect day to take the 79 bike. Alright. I have him first period, so I'm going to... Oh, I forgot to peel this? No way I didn't peel this. Can I get it with the gloves? Yeah. No way I didn't peel that. All right, well, I got it now. Oh, look how dirty it is. All right, so anyways, I'll catch you guys when I'm on the way back home. Once I get to automotives, I'll find a way I can get this charging because it's at 75, and I still want to zoom back home. So, catch y'all then. All right, so the school day is over. It was a great day of doing nothing but sitting in class. Actually, I did have a test today, but it was easy. I have all my finals next week. I did charge it, so I'm at 100%. So let's go. Sadly, unlike the last Took My Surron to School video, I will not be going to a drive-thru of a restaurant because I literally just ate lunch, like, I think, like, not even 45 minutes ago, so I'm already good on that. I would cut here, but I don't think I'm allowed to, and I don't want to test my luck because I know somebody that did that in a car, and they got 5 days parking pass suspension, and I don't want that, so just gonna stay normalized civilian, no wheelies, no nothing, even though I just did one, till I get to maybe this area. I'll be able to cut in front. I think they have a bike lane, actually. Yeah, they do have a bike lane. I have the trim supply on the back of it. Let me put this in my pocket real quick. Alright, let's go. Let's go! I love that I charged it to full, so I still have all that power. Oh my goodness, it's so windy again. Oh, we got to 61! 62! 63! Oh, I got to 63! Oh, that's crazy! That's the fastest I've gotten to, 63. That's actually crazy. Bro, there's still construction here from the last Took My whatever to school video. That was like 6 months ago. The sheriff's office is right here, so I'm not gonna do any wheelies. Hopefully next week, on the last day of school, I have my 2TO fixed. It has a popped rear tire. Hopefully I have it fixed. Take the 2TO to school. Great video. That time, maybe, just maybe, I'll go through a drive-thru. Oh, there's dust here. I gotta wear goggles next time. Ah! Coasting down the hill. Turn right here. Oh, my light's green. That's perfect. Let's see if I can turn in the wheelie. Oh, I couldn't make it. Oh, there's dust. I already see it. But I'm so glad that school's finally over. You guys are going to be getting more and more good content. Whoa. Oh, I felt like my brakes almost gave out there. Is that a jump? I've always seen that. I've always wondered if that was a jump. I think it would have been good if I scouted it out first before just straight sending it. Oh my goodness. I feel like it. Little side quest. Oh, I still have my backpack on. That's so bumpy. Ah! I used to make like deep ruts, bro. My 85s and 150s. Just letting you guys know before I end the video, this bike right here is going to be next week's video. It is an E-Ride Pro competitor. It's still from AmericanaPipedream.com. And make sure you use code phethanfix bike to pick up one of these two. These bikes are crazy. I'd recommend these way over a Surron. But anyways, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I'm wishing all the